This assessment asks us to evaluate the efficiency of the Claisen reaction using methyl acetate as compared to a figure in the book that uses ethyl acetate. Now, part A of this question is to just answer whether we expect the process to be more efficient. Let's answer that and maybe even kind of allude to what's happening in part C. I'll leave part B for you to calculate the atom economy on your own. The first thing that we're going to notice if we look at the two reactions is essentially the same process is being made, or the same process is being done. We're making the same product in both. And so when we start to think about the efficiency, one of the things we're going to want to do is calculate the atom economy. Well, if you look at what's being lost in the top reaction, we're combining these two fragments and losing ethanol technically as a waste product. What would be the waste product in this reaction down here? We're going to be losing methanol. Because the waste product that we're losing here is smaller, we would expect on an atom economy basis this reaction to be more efficient. We're also able to start with smaller reagents because we don't have ethoxy groups. Instead, we have methoxy groups. So evaluating the efficiency in that way, we might say that this is more efficient. Now, the solvent that we're going to end up needing to use for this reaction is methanol. Methanol is more toxic than ethanol, so in that way, the reaction is going to be slightly less green. So when you're thinking about and evaluating green chemistry metrics, we know that there's kind of a give and take, and sort of the greenness is in the eye of the beholder. A slightly more atom efficient reaction, making essentially the same product, but using a more toxic solvent in methanol, probably makes it less green. Again, you can calculate the atom economy on your own, but that should give you this should have given you answers to part A and part C of this question.